बस ना मेरा लिटिल मंकी, एक्टिव हो जाओ ना फिर से। आज सिर्फ पहला दिन है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
No noise, please. Let's get ready. Good morning, everyone.
सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
Serious, please. Keep on writing, please. You still have time left. मेरा बच्चा.
Over here, very steadily.
आज सिर्फ पहला दिन है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
Are you all right?
सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
Are you all right, young man?
ये है वो रियलिटी का थप्पड़ जो दिखे या ना दिखे, मेरा लिटिल मंकी
I'm sorry.
पड़ता जोर का है।
काश किसी ने वक्त पर देख लिया होता कि what his real weaknesses were.
काश उसकी तालीम ने उसको रियल लाइफ के लिए प्रिपेयर किया होता।
काश उसने सीखा होता how to think, not how to memorize.
Kash he wasn't taught to be afraid of getting things wrong.
काश बचपन से उसका सवाल पूछना was welcomed.
Kash he had some direction in life. क्या इसीलिए हमने अपने बच्चे को 12 साल स्कूल के चक्कर लगवाए थे?
You're absolutely right. अब ज़रा गौर फरमाएं। पाकिस्तानी स्कूल सिस्टम एक फिक्स प्रोग्रेशन को फॉलो करता है। इट मूव्स चिल्ड्रन फॉरवर्ड इन स्टेजेस ईयर आफ्टर ईयर। इब्तिदाई सालों में बच्चे आर सिंपली इंट्रोड्यूस टू स्कूल। दे आर क्यूरियस, दे आर अब्जॉर्बिंग। इस वक्त द प्रेशर इज स्टिल लाइट, एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर बेसिक, but the real shift happens later, in the most decisive and longest stage. ये वो साल हैं जब बच्चों की sense of self and identity begins to form, when curiosity should start to deepen, when understanding should replace imitation, when they feel what they are good at and what interests them. जब आपका बच्चा should start understanding कि वो कैसे सोचता है. Instead, ये स्टेज बन जाती है all about keeping up with syllabus and expectations. Performance over understanding, speed over depth, completion over clarity, memorizing answers, not discovering direction. सालों बीत जाते हैं preparing for exams, not for thinking. और जब आपका बच्चा उन 5 साल की कंडीशनिंग के बाद सीनियर स्टेज में पहुंचता है, what looks like progress is often a dead end. The current system quietly pulls your child into a direction before the child ever understands who they are. They carry marks, not clarity.
Well, you don't have to be afraid, because that's where we intervene. An accelerated, alternate pathway, the way forward. We have a very clear understanding that the education system most of us passed through was designed centuries ago for an industrial age that needed uniformity and efficiency. But how an apple falls today is through creativity and individual thinking. The way forward takes students from the useless part of the system and land them inside our 2-year learning experience. Here the learning happens at a child's pace, not the pace of a classroom. Understanding comes before exams. Questions?
Wait a minute.
Are encouraged, with plenty of room to pause and explore. And to discover a child's burning strengths early, there is guidance, not pressure. Eventually creating time and space around the child to dive beyond textbooks into developing entrepreneurial thinking, strong character, future-ready skills, and also all those rounds that may come around in future. This approach allows learning to move faster, not by rushing, but by removing what holds it back. And our learning experience is totally travel-free. It allows focus and flexibility without the hassle or distraction of traditional routines. Instead of spending 5 long years moving through the old system, a student spends just 2 years truly understanding it, absolutely ready for charging into the next phase and returning back to the system.
क्योंकि वो साल जो फ्यूचर शेप करते हैं should not be the years that are lost. In a world that demands decisions at every step, the way forward is that unfair advantage जो हर बच्चा डिजर्व करता है. अब सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Applications are now open.